Hello, welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of USD CAD, US dollar, Canadian dollar. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis, and do not forget to check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other pairs like Euro, USD, GBP, USD, and many more. So let's get started. So this is the 4-hour chart of USD CAD in front of us right now, and as you can see that this market is an uptrend. There is no doubt that this market is an uptrend, which means that number of buyers are higher in comparison to the number of sellers. And following the basic rule or the thumb rule of the market, which says that follow the trend. Following the trend means if a market is an uptrend, we should mainly look for buying opportunities, and if a market is in downtrend, we should mainly look for shorting opportunities. And this market is in uptrend, therefore we should mainly look for buying opportunities. Is not it? But there are certain complications on the chart of the USD CAD that we need to understand, and there are certain factors also that you must understand so that you do not take any bad decision. So let's do the analysis first. Let's try to understand what is going on in the chart of USD CAD. Then we'll be jumping to the strategy part. So let's get started. So one thing we have understood that market is an uptrend, there is no doubt. And as you can see that I have also drawn a trend line here. You can also draw this trend line on the charting platform because you can clearly see that whenever market was going down, it was taking support at this trend line. And you can see that this trend line is still acting as a valid support for the market, because right now the market is also standing at the trend line only. But though market is standing at the trend line, but still we should not go for a buy right here, because see, we need to understand few things here. Okay, there is no doubt that market is an uptrend, market is standing at the support level. All things are very beautiful, all things are quite simple and um, simple and beautiful, that's it. Okay, but here you can see that after coming down to the trend line, market is not going up. Okay, try to understand the market psychology here. Okay, previously when there was selling pressure in the market, after coming down to the trend line, after one or two candle, market immediately bounced. Here after one touch, market immediately bounced. But here right now you can see that it has not touched the trend line properly, and moreover, market has formed around 3 to 4 candles and still market is not going up. Try to understand the market psychology here, which clearly signifies that still market does not have the strength to take the price upward. Something is cooking in the market, because of which though market is standing at the support, market is unable to go up. And you can see that market has formed a shooting star kind of a pattern right now, which with price rejection from above, which is not at all a good sign. And moreover, we also know that it has a direct relation with the chart of US dollar. And this is the chart of US dollar, and you can see that US dollar chart is extremely bullish. Extremely bullish. Dollar is very much in strong uptrend going up. But one thing that we need to focus on the chart of US dollar is that it has almost reached the resistance level. Though it has reached the resistance level, it is so bullish that still it is not in the mood of going down that easily. US dollar is giving a tough fight. The bulls are trying their best to take the market upward. But we should not deny this resistance, because if we go to the one day chart of US dollar, we can see that there is a good resistance. Okay. And as we all know, if dollar starts going up, then USD CAD also starts going up, and if dollar starts going down, USD CAD also starts going down. Therefore, if US dollar starts going down from here, or if there is a trend reversal on the US dollar or DXY chart, then definitely we can expect some selling pressure on the chart of USD CAD as well. If dollar starts showing trend reversal signs, then definitely market will be crossing this trend line, or market will break this trend line instead of going up. And if we go to the Forex sentiment meter here, you'll find the Forex sentiment meter on my website avilashhazarika.com under Forex 101 section. And the Forex sentiment meter, we can see that 35% retail traders have taken short position and 64% retail traders have taken long position. Or in other words, 64% retail traders are thinking that market will be going up and 35% are thinking that market will be going down. And as we all know, 90%, more than 90% retail traders lose money. Therefore, to be honest, I always prefer to take trades against the retail traders. So if retail traders are thinking that market will be going up, then there is a good possibility that market will be going down. Because I have seen it from my experience that market always move in the opposite direction of the retail traders. So my dear friend, please be very careful while taking a trade. And if you're wondering how much volatility you can expect, then just go to the volatility calculator here. Okay, this is the Forex volatility calculator. You can see that in the 15 minutes time frame, in the 15 minutes you can expect a movement of 3 pips. In the 1 hour you can expect 10 pips. In the 4 hours you can expect 12 pips. So this is the amount of volatility or movement you can expect on the USD CAD chart. Okay, so we have got the idea what is going on. Okay, that US dollar has reached the resistance. Okay, and if dollar starts going down, then there is a good possibility that USD CAD will also be going up. Though USD CAD is standing at a resistance, but still we should not go for buy because it is directly related to the DXY chart, this chart. So what should be our strategy then? The strategy is quite complicated here. Okay, because dollar, okay, because it is directly related to dollar, and though it is standing at support, it is not going up. That is the main factor. That is the main factor. It is not going up. So our main strategy on the USD CAD is totally based on the chart of dollar index here, US dollar. So I'll request you, my dear friend, that you should also draw, or sorry, you should also consult the chart of dollar index here. Just go to the 4 hours chart or 1 hour chart, whatever you want, and just keep your eyes on the dollar index here. If you see market reversing from here, or if market forming a red candle, then if you see market forming a red candle here, then just go to the USD CAD and just see how the USD CAD is doing. If you see that USD CAD is also behaving the same way, if you see that USD CAD is unable to hold this support, and as dollar has formed a red candle, if USD CAD also forms a red candle here, then you can think of shorting the market. And if market bounces from here, then still I'll tell you not to go for buy here until and unless there is a good volume on the chart. If you see market forming a fat grid candle, healthy green candle like me, then you can go for buy order. That's a different chapter. But looking at the chart of US dollar, the chances are very less. Okay, so to be honest, I'll tell you to avoid. If you are a beginner, if you cannot afford to lose any money right now, then you should avoid USD CAD chart right now. And if you want to still take a trade, if you love USD CAD, then if dollar index forms a red candle, if there is a trend reversal on US dollar, then you can think about taking a short position on USD CAD. Otherwise, if you are a beginner, new trader, please avoid USD CAD right now. So this is it. Hopefully you've understood. If you have liked the video and found the video informative, give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. Thank you so much. All the best. Take care. See you tomorrow.